Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I'm going to share with you quick tips for the countdown project. I have to say it's very big. It's a lovely size, very sturdy. So many say, what is the size? It's 11 by 11, and each box are 2 by 2. All of it it's already, the box, it's in all the little box inside the box. The box come plain this way. So let me move this, and I'm going to share a few tips, and I'm going to share how to put that together. The stamp set that is recommended for this, it's Christmas Countdown, and I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't do much in the stamping. I did a few. All the kits come with, you get 2 sheets of that is like stickers. So you get those 2 sheets, and then the little paper to put in front of the box, they come, it's already laser cut. So this one here, I did some that I stamped. I'm going to share with you. So it really, the stamping, it's optional. I'm going to be honest here. You, if you want to do stamping, you can. This is one of the kits that you can go and really embellish it a lot or very little, whatever you want. The kit itself, plain, really, it is beautiful. So this one here with the 3 little dots at the bottom, I just used the border there. Some of it I stamped 3 times, some of it 2 times, here in cherry cobbler, and here. That's it. So that's, I did a few like that, and I did it all different. So if you're not just the same, the way you stamp, then it don't look, it's perfect. And then this one with the little stars, I use the pine branch, and I use mossy meadow. So the ink color, or the color they suggest, it's mossy meadow, early espresso, and cherry cobbler. Et voila. So that's what I done on some of them, okay? But very little, like I said, you're going to see the box done in a minute. So now that you get that, and it comes with all the numbers, so you get those sheet and all the sheet with the paper. So now with that being said, you're going to take your box, and this is the main tip that I wanted to share with you all. When you pull your box, so this is the front, you see the back, it's where they put the box together. So I would make sure not to glue in the front of that, because you don't want to show that in the front. So put it there. So 2 things that I recommend that you get if you don't already have it. It is the liquid glue and dimensional. The stamp set, I'm going to be honest, very optional, but these 2 here, I would say that it's a must. Another thing that I pull out that I want to add on mine, you can add pearls, rhinestone, whatever. Oops, I just pulled one out. I think those little star would be lovely. The little star, let me pull my dirty catalog here. So the Advent calendar, or the Christmas Countdown project, it's on page 38. You get all this here for $30. The stamp set, it's sold separately, okay? Like I said, it's optional. Now the little star that I think would look good on that, it is on page 31, right here, star design element. I think that would add a cute to it. So let me share with you how I do the, so I'm going to take the glue, and some going to say, can I use like maybe tear and tape, maybe snail. I love the liquid glue, and you're going to see the reason why. Make sure you put some on the edge there. I'm holding it in my finger, like the hole, it's already there. I'm coming here, and then you can move it with liquid glue. If you use tear and tape or strong tape for glue, then you cannot do that. See how simple that was? Now I'm going to do another one, so I just get 2. This is one I stamped, and like I said, 3 of them. So you're going to have 2 extra, 2 or 1 extra paper. I think it's 1, because you get 4, that's 8, that's 12, that's 24. 28, so and you need 25, so really you should have 3 spare square, because you need 25, and it's 4 the thing. So 4, 8, that's 12, that's 24, 28, yeah. So you should have 3. So see, I just pull it up, make it fit. Then you can put it down to and press it there. Now, some of them I added my little embellishment. Like here you get the little pine. I'm going to put that one right. You know what? I'm going to put this one right here. One thing, when you put that, you want to make sure that it don't pass on the side, because that would keep on pulling. So I got that there. I absolutely love the snowflakes. I'm going to put the snowflakes right here. And then for my numbers, okay, now I don't know which number is what. I'm going to put that back here. See, I get 2 extra there and 1. That's right. You get 3 leftovers. I couldn't see those one. I was like, I just get 1. So you get 3 leftovers. So you can match them. I would say glue all your paper first in the back, and then decide, you know, you can mix match them and then add your numbers. If you look at the instruction, I'm not good at following instruction. I'm going to be honest here. They put the number at different, some in the corner, some in the center, and so on. I wanted all mine in the center. So for that, what I done, we're going to do number 17 there. So I put my dimension, all of my number are put with dimensional, okay? Put my dimensional, then I'm going to line that right here. I see my number 3, it's off a little bit. Here we go. So now that I get that, I'm going to finish all my numbers. So you see, it's very simple. I just go ahead, put my dimensional in the back, and I would add a few elements, and then make sure you don't, you know, you do all your box, then you put your element. You got like the little star, the little line here that I can add like that right here. That's the stickers that I know it's number 25. That it's right here. I thought I lost the number. So the box itself won't take much time. I would say maybe an hour max, really. Here we go. I got my 25 there. Then you get all those little flowers. I could add some. I got the bows. The bows, the way that I done it, I just put it at the bottom there. So after you've done the main thing, you can decorate them. The one that you want to do before that you put your number though, it would be like the strips. These strips here. See, I got one there. Then the rest, you get the wreaths. See the wreaths? Where can I put this wreath now? Oh, I could always go on the top of a number. Here we go. Oh, that is way cute. So you can put the wreath like this. So it's no right and wrong. So you can do any way you want. But like I said, the main thing you want to pay attention, it's this, need to be in the back. So you put the paper in the front. And then when you're done, you can keep on adding, like I get those little banner. Like some of them I put it on the side. Some of them I put it right on top. So I can come here and add one right here. So you finish decorating after you know that you get the main thing, you know, you get a little bit here and there because you don't want all the embellishment in one corner. Now for those little stars that I was telling you, I thought they would be cute right at the top of the Christmas tree. Let me pull that here. See how cute that would be? So I'm going to take one of those little stars and put it all at the trees. And those trees are already printed, so it's no stamping on that. It's already printed. See how cute that is? So again, that's optional. Really, when you get the kit, you get everything except the glue that you really need. And if you want to pop your number, the dimensional. The stamp set, it's optional. Like here, 3 I stamp. I stamp on one, stamp over here, here. So very little stamping. So then you can put little goodies. What I done, my kids love the advent calendar. I get those little Christmas tree that I got at the dollar store, and I had put, when they were little, and I think they still, my daughter still use it, I put an ornament, those little ornament, you get a bunch at the dollar store or whatever, can be many places, you get the little ornament. I put one in every one, and some of them I put a dollar or two and so on, some candy. And then every morning when they get up, starting December 1st, they pull a box and they can build their own Christmas tree, or it can be just a little goodies. So hope you get inspired to get some of them for your kids, grandkids, your niece, nephew. I know when I go home, I'm gonna bring 4 of them to do with my sister for her grandkids, so for my great niece and nephew. I absolutely love this. So hope I inspire you to get your Christmas in gear. All the product that I use, even the little star and so on, going to be all below in the direct link. Just click to my blog and you get the easy button shopping there 24/7, or also in the eye. And this is for all in the US that can shop direct on my site. Thank you so much and have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.